So representation of sinusoidal waveform at different phase angles. So at a different phase angles means sinusoidal waveform starts at origin, sinusoidal waveform starts behind the origin, and sinusoidal waveform starts ahead of the origin. So these are the different phase angles. So representation of sinusoidal waveform at different phase angles. So first one is sinusoidal waveform started at origin. So this is the sinusoidal waveform which starts at origin. So time period of this sinusoidal waveform is capital T, and x-axis is we can take the function as a function of time or angle theta, and maximum it is going to Vm, and y-axis is V of t or otherwise V of theta. So what is the mathematical equation of this waveform which starts at origin means V of t equal to Vm sin omega t. So this is the mathematical equation which satisfies this waveform. And what is the average value of this waveform? So here positive area is equal to negative area. So average of that is 0. So average value is 0. What is the RMS value of this waveform? So RMS value of this waveform is Vm by root 2. And what is polar form of that waveform? So polar form is R, that is RMS value at an angle of 0, because it starts at origin, so that's why angle is 0, and here R value is RMS value. So R at an angle of theta. So here R becomes RMS value which is Vm by root 2, and angle as it is starting at origin, so angle is 0. VRMS at an angle of 0. So exponential form. Then how do we write this in exponential form? Vrms e power z theta. Then what is Cartesian form? Vrms cos theta plus j Vrms sin theta. So it comes as Vrms plus j0. So which is equal to x plus jy. So here x is equals to Vrms cos 0 which is equals to Vrms, and y equal to Vrms sin 0 which is equals to 0. So this is about sinusoidal waveform started at origin. So this is the waveform, mathematical equation, average value, RMS value, polar form, exponential form, and Cartesian form. So similarly, if you take second case, sinusoidal signal started behind the origin by an angle theta. So sinusoidal signal started behind the origin by an angle theta. So here, this is the waveform. So it starts behind the origin by an angle theta. This is the time period and this is theta. So time axis, maximum value is Vm, and y axis is V of t. So V of t, what is the mathematical equation of this waveform? That is Vm sine omega t minus theta. So here it is Vm sine omega t minus theta. So what is the average value of this? Average value is again positive area equal to negative area for any cycle. Average value is 0. So what is the RMS value? So RMS value is Vm by root 2. So here it is RMS value of the sinusoidal waveform, whether it starts at origin or behind the origin or ahead of the origin. So RMS value is Vm by root 2. So next is what is the polar form? So polar form of that waveform, this for the sinusoidal signal which starts behind the origin by an angle theta is polar form V equal to Vrms at an angle of minus theta. So Vrms at an angle of minus theta. So what is the exponential form? Vrms e power minus j theta. And what is Cartesian form? X plus jy. So that is Vrms cos theta minus j Vrms sin theta. So here x is Vrms cos theta and y is minus Vrms sin theta. So this is about sinusoidal signal started behind the origin by an angle theta. So here we have to get what is the waveform, what is the mathematical expression for that waveform, what is the average value, what is the RMS value. So after that what is its polar form, what is exponential form, what is Cartesian form. So similarly last case is sinusoidal signal started ahead of the origin by an angle theta, ahead of the origin by an angle theta. So this is the sinusoidal waveform which started ahead of the origin by an angle theta. So now this is the cycle, time period is capital T, time axis, maximum it is going to Vm, and y axis is V of t. So this is the waveform, and what is the mathematical equation for this waveform? What is the mathematical equation? which satisfies this equation is which satisfies this waveform is v of t equal to Vm sin omega t plus theta. So here it is Vm sin omega t plus theta. Then what is the average value of a cycle? So this is one cycle. So positive area equal to negative area. So average value is 0. So what is the RMS value? So RMS value, whether it starts at origin or behind the origin or ahead of the origin. So always RMS value depends on the maximum value, not at the on the angle. So it is Vm by root 2. So what is polar form? So RMS value at an angle of theta. So VRMS at an angle of theta is polar form. What is exponential form? VRMS e power j theta is exponential form, and Cartesian form x plus jy, where x is VRMS cos theta and y is VRMS sin theta. So here x is VRMS cos theta and y is VRMS sin theta. So here for sinusoidal signal started ahead of the origin by an angle theta, this is the waveform, and mathematical equation average value, RMS value, polar form, exponential form and Cartesian form. Now let us take an example for these cases. So here sinusoidal waveform started at origin. So here let the time period is 0.02 seconds or 20 milliseconds. So means frequency equal to 50 Hz. In terms of radians it is 3.14. So pi equal to 3.14 and omega equal to 314 radians per second. So time period is 0.02 seconds. So 20 milliseconds and frequency is 50 Hz, and frequency 50 Hz means omega is 314 radians per second, and maximum value of the sinusoidal signal is 325.27. So sinusoidal waveform started at origin. So this is example. So for what is the mathematical equation for this waveform is 325.27. V of t equal to 325.27 sin 314t. So because frequency equal to I am taking 50 Hz, because the time period is 0.02 seconds, 20 milliseconds. So omega is 314. So 325.27 sin 314t. This is the mathematical equation. So what is the average value? Average value is 0. Positive area equal to negative area. Average value is 0. So what is the RMS value? Vm by root 2. 325.27 by root 2 is 230 volts. What is its polar form? 230 at an angle of 0 degrees. What is exponential form? 230 e power j theta. So 230 e power j 0. So what is Cartesian form? So 230 cos 0 plus j 230 sin 0 is 230 plus j 0. So this is for sinusoidal waveform started at origin. So next one is sinusoidal waveform started behind the origin by an angle 30 degrees. So here this is the waveform, sinusoidal waveform started behind the origin. So this is origin, it starts behind the origin by an angle 30 degrees. So time period of a cycle is 0.02 seconds or 20 milliseconds, or otherwise in terms of radians per second, omega is frequency is 50 Hz, omega is 314 radians per second, and maximum value is 325.27, and time axis, so x is time and y is voltage, or otherwise v of t. So what is the mathematical equation for this waveform? So maximum value is 325.27 sin 314t minus 30 degrees. So what is the average value? 0, because positive area equal to negative area. So average value is 0. For a cycle, positive area equal to negative area, average value becomes 0. So what is the RMS value? Vm by root 2. So maximum value is 325.27. So 325.27 by root 2 is RMS value. So what is polar form? So RMS value at an angle of minus 30, because it is started behind the origin. So that's why it is minus 30. 230 at an angle of minus 30. So what is exponential form? 230 into e power minus j 30. So what is Cartesian form? So Cartesian form for this is, so converting this polar form to rectangular coordinates, so 199.2 minus j 115. So these are the 7 points. So sinusoidal waveform started behind the origin by an angle 30 degrees. So this is the waveform, mathematical equation, average value, RMS value, polar form, exponential form and Cartesian form. And the next one is sinusoidal waveform started ahead of the origin by an angle 30 degrees. So what is the waveform here? This is the waveform. So sinusoidal waveform started ahead of the origin by an angle 30. So again for a cycle, time period is, so here time period of for a cycle is 0.02 seconds, means time period is 20 milliseconds. Frequency is, if time period is 20 milliseconds, frequency is 1 by t, so is equal to 50 hertz. For frequency equal to 50 hertz, omega equal to 314 radians per second, and maximum value is 325.27. X-axis is time axis and y-axis is v of t. So mathematical equation for this waveform is v of t equal to 325.27, maximum value 325.27 sine 314t plus 30 degrees. So this is the mathematical expression, instantaneous value. You can find the instantaneous value of the voltage by this mathematical expression. So average value is 0. So because positive area equal to negative area, average value is 0. So RMS value is, it depends on the maximum value. RMS value always depends on the maximum value. Maximum value by root 2. So 325.27 by root 2 is 230 degrees. So RMS value always depends on the maximum value. So polar form is RMS value at an angle of theta. So RMS value 230 at an angle of 30 degrees. So exponential form is 230 e power j 30. So Cartesian form is, so converting this polar form into Cartesian form or rectangular coordinates, 199.2 plus j 115. So here sinusoidal waveform started ahead of the origin by an angle 30. So this is the waveform, mathematical equation, average value, RMS value, polar form, exponential form and Cartesian form.